Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in. Back in the trade on USDJPY. This thing reversed from the 50. And it's going down, so I'm catching the downside move on it. I'm up $14 right now. Did a trade at 113.54, and right now the market's at 113.47. It's moving down as we speak right here. So everything's going pretty well. Thought it was gonna move to the upside, but I shouldn't have thought of that because all these red candles are in here. So got downside movement overall. So things are moving down currently as we speak. I'm in profit right now. We'll see if we can trade, keep this thing rolling, and we go over $200. Got 48 minutes left on this trade, so one contract at $38. So I make $38 on this trade. This thing rolling smooth right now, so it's early in the trade. We'll see how this thing go. If we get somewhere near 20 some odd dollars in profit, I'm liable to take it. Or get the $30 in profit, I'll take it. But I'll get back with you guys in a moment. I'm back. We got 1 minute and 40 seconds and counting on this position. Right now it's at 113.42. Everything's looking pretty good right now. We're at 12 pips below my strike price, which is awesome. As you can see, I got in up at the top right here at 113.54. As you can see, we got a nice bearish candle here going down with a very small wick at the top, so that's really good. As you see, it's gonna drop down to 113.40. So right now, I got some trades in. I got a couple of EAs that's doing things right now. It's looking pretty good too, but I'm just testing those. But right now, as you can see, price 113.41. I'm going to win this trade. This could push me over $200. I think of something like, I'm not sure what my win rate is right now. I think it's like 3-0, maybe 4-0. Even though I count those take profits as wins. I'd have lost money on other counting as a loss, so it's one of them type of deals. But everything's going pretty smooth now. It shouldn't be too hectic with this strategy right now. I'm gonna try to get me a EA built on this thing. That way I ain't gotta stay at the charts all the time. But we'll look at this chart, this trade win, and we'll continue to make videos and hopefully be successful very soon. There we go, 227. Looking pretty good, almost $100 in profit, almost. But Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.